How's everybody doing today? This is Brian from the Copy Center, and I'm going to introduce you to our brand new Papercut system. This new printing system is going to be replacing Uniflow and Production Center printing as your main way of printing to me at the Copy Center. So when you want to print to me, this is how you're going to do it. And what you're going to notice firstly is that this is a website. This is not a printer that you're going to be printing files to like you did with the Production Center. This is a URL. You're going to be given a link that you can save, bookmark, or pin, and it is going to bring you straight to this home page, this Papercut home page. And once you do, you're going to add in your district credentials, first name dot last name, and your district password in order to log in. It is going to bring you right here to this ticketing site. You can choose either a booklet, if you want to do comb-bound books or saddle stitch books. I am sure most of the jobs are going to come straight from everyday printing, so I'm just going to show you how to submit a job to me. This ticket here, this is where you're going to fill out all of your printing option details. The sheet is somewhat particular because you've got to fill out all of the required fields or it won't let you submit the job. If you're missing something, it's going to give you the little red dot that says fill out this field. This field is required. So just make sure that you fill out all of the different fields. You're going to attach your file. The files have to be PDFs. This is PDF specific. So if you're working with Word or Google Docs or Excel or whatever, you've got to convert it to a PDF before doing this. You attach your file. You give it a title. Again, you got to fill out all of the boxes. Just going to put a name in here. Choose your number of copies. This shows me that the file is one page and that there is some color in it. If you want the job to be done in black and white, even though there might be a little bit of color in it, just let me know down here that you want it in grayscale. Or if you want it in color, you just choose color. You could also change it here too if you wanted. You could change the color to 0 and the black and white to however you want to do it. Signal to me what you want. If you want it in black and white, choose grayscale. If you want it in color, choose color. Paper stock. This is where you're going to choose your sizes, 8.5, 11, legal, 8.5, 14, or tabloid, 11, 17. I'm going to go with regular size paper. Your color paper, most of the time, is going to be white. We'll try to have some color paper on hand, but most of the time we're only going to have white paper. And 20 pound would be just regular weighted paper, and cardstock would be cardstock. So I'm just going to choose regular paper. 8.5, 11. White paper, regular weighted paper. Again, if you don't choose all of those different fields, it won't let you submit it, so you just have to go through all of the different steps. Single-sided or double-sided, black and white or color. Your binding is where you can choose different stapling options. You could choose portrait left corner staple or landscape left corner staple. Hole punching, if you want 3 holes. Choose 3 holes. If you want us to cut it in half or cut it into thirds, let us know. Folding, let us know. And down here is where you're going to have your delivery options. So if you're at the high school, you're just going to want to leave it at pickup. If you're coming from another school, you know you're going to be at the high school and you want to pick it up at the copy center, you could choose pickup as well. If you want it delivered to your school, you choose delivery and then just let us know what school you're at. Just go to Saks. Go to East, you get the point. Wherever you're at, let us know where this is going. You choose your due date. The current day is blocked out, so you could start with the next day, a couple of days after, whenever your copies are due. If you have additional instructions, specific, particular, details that might be unique to your job, you want to do it here. For example, people like to ask, print in 6 sets of 22 copies. Please. And then you submit the ticket. Once your ticket is submitted, you will get an automatic email sent right to you saying that your everyday printing order has been submitted, and then when I complete your print order, you will get another email saying that your job is complete. So that will let you know that we're going to be delivering the job, or that will signal you to come down and to the copy center and pick it up. So this is what it looks like to be printing to the copy center. If you have any more questions, feel free to shoot me an email or give me a call. We'll be happy to help. This is Brian from the Copy Center signing off. You guys have a good day.